Hi, welcome to Chef Pachi, and now I make these amazing refried beans without ever having to cook anything. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a can of black beans that I have washed or a cup and a half of cooked black beans in the food processor. Then I'm going to add half a roasted bell pepper or pimento, the juice of 3 limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, processed, and that is it. Serve it and enjoy it with chips, with vegetables, as a spread for sandwiches. Amazing refried beans without ever cooking. High protein hummus. Easy, delicious, and a great meal in minutes. We're going to take 2 cups of chickpeas or garbanzos cooked and with the liquid removed, a quarter of a cup of good quality dark sesame oil, 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, a clove of garlic, a quarter cup of cilantro, and the juice of 3 limes. This is it. Then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of cumin powder or a quarter teaspoon of toasted cumin seeds. Blend, serve, and enjoy an amazing hummus. You are going to love it. You can add it to vegetables, you can add it to toast, you can add it to wraps and sandwiches. Keep it and have an amazing hummus that is going to be higher in protein and delicious. Black bean sandwich spread. A mix that can help you have an amazing black bean sandwich or wrap, and it's just a cup of black beans, a quarter cup of sun-dried tomatoes, quarter cup of cilantro, and mix it. You can chop it, you don't have to process it, and voila, that's it. Enjoy! Red bean spread, an amazing and delicious spread for sandwiches, wraps, and many other foods where you want to serve red beans and give them an extra kick. All we have to add is a tablespoon of olive oil, a dried chipotle pepper, some cilantro, and chop it or blend. First, your beans are not going to fall all over. Second, you can use it for so many recipes. Enjoy! Never tasted cannellini bean spread with 1 can, which is about 1.25 cups of cannellini beans, a lime juice, a sprig of rosemary, and a tablespoon of white truffle oil. You just mix and create an amazing spread that you're gonna love every single day. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy these amazing spreads that are healthy and delicious. Chef Pachi.